Now, with Curate data pattern, instead of having all these individual application owners developing and using their own data sets from aggregated data, the company standardizes on a few data sets that are used across the company. The data and business catalogs like AWS Glue Data Catalog and Amazon Data Zone become an important standardization to the Curate data pattern. Application data developers then access production data sets via an internal or external data mart or marketplace for their aggregation or for their applications, and they no longer go directly to the aggregated data in storage. Now, Curate makes it easier than aggregate to govern usage as well as audit for compliance because it shrinks the surface area for your exposure to just a few data products. A great example of a company that's using the Curate data pattern is Cox Automotive, who is transforming the way the world buys, sells, and uses vehicles. Just a fact for you, more than 60% of automobile shoppers visit Cox properties like Kelley Blue Book or Auto Trader to start their car purchasing process. They aggregate all of their data in S3, but they build a really rich set of data products over that data, which is used for everything from analytics to powering vehicle valuations. Now, Cox Automotive centralizes and catalogs petabytes of data in an internal product that they call the Cox Auto Data Marketplace for developers to use. This is the distribution vehicle for your data products, the internal data marketplace. And they say that the thing that makes Curate data patterns so successful for Cox Automotive is the quality of their data, the richness of the metadata in their data catalogs for data discovery, and the hub of having a data marketplace so all their application owners can come to one place to find it. That is a very common set of best practices for people who are using data products and the Curate data pattern. Another customer that's built an internal data marketplace is Siemens. Siemens centralizes their data in S3, and they have hundreds of petabytes of data from over 300 sources, and those are used to build data products across more than 70,000 internal data consumers. Now, while the data providers are responsible for data ingestion into S3 and maintaining the technical metadata of the data sets, they have this central data marketplace that they call Data Lake to Go that lets consumers find and explore data sets that they need, like a researcher that wants to build an ML model, or somebody who's trying to optimize their rail operations. Now, before they had data products, it took their internal customers weeks to contact the owner of the data and request access. This is probably very familiar to many of you in this room. But by changing that into an aggregate model with data products, they self-serve their data access now, and people can find anything they need, and they're seeing massive productivity gains. With data products and Data Lake to Go, developers were able to build an application that they call intelligent document mapping. And it takes a variety of different documents in their data set, and it builds step-by-step operations, which include analyzing the design, creating a bill of materials, even enhancing the drawings. And this application that they built on a data product has really helped them save money and time. Before, their engineers at the factories had to do all of these steps manually. And by putting all of this data into data products, they're saving more than 15,000 hours of work, almost 1 million euros per year, just from centralizing the use on a few well-curated data products.